strength training circuit, 10 exercises, all 60 seconds long, with 15 seconds to get ready for the next exercise. First one, high knee with some twists. We're gonna kind of crunch those obliques. You can clasp your fingers together or hand over fist, whatever works for you. But getting those high knees going while crunching those obliques on moving our hands. You can modify this by taking it as slow as you need to, just get those knees up. Exercise 2 is a step up to a single leg elevated squat. So if you have a bench at home, your stairs, or a book, step up onto it. Let this leg come with you just to start. And then it steps off, and we're squatting. But I am not pushing up off the ground. I am using this leg. And then halfway through, we'll switch and do the other leg. Next exercise is a bear crawl. When my right arm moves, my left leg moves and vice versa. We're in that upside down V. So those glutes are up to the sky. Right arm, left leg, left and right leg. Move forward a little bit, and then take that same path backwards. Really take your time on this and focus on what arm and what leg should be moving at that time. Next exercise is down on the ground with our resistant band. You need that resistant band with the handles. The thick part of that handle is going to be at the bottom of your foot. And we're going to pull that onto our shoe halfway. Pull that band so it stays on tight. Send it back. Drop down to all fours. Pull this band up to create tension. Drape it across. Use that other hand to hold it down. And then my bottom of my foot goes straight up to the sky. Knee to chest. Bottom of the foot up to the sky. And then our next exercise is the other leg. This one takes a while to get set into, and I want to make sure we have time each leg. So one exercise is our right leg, next exercise is the left leg, okay? And then we're going to go ahead and come on up and do an upright row with a curl with our band. So 2 exercises happening right after the other. 1 foot right center, upright row, lower, flip the wrist, curl. That's all we're doing. Just combining 2 exercises into 1. And then we're going to do abductors. So you're going to need to step in the middle of your band. Make an X in front of your body. Pull it up. And then we're going to kick that leg out to the side, keeping it nice and straight and working the side of the thigh, the side of the knee. Help sculpt those legs. Halfway through, you'll lean over to the other side, and we'll do the other leg. And then we're going to do a roll down and row. So we'll sit down on the ground, middle of the band, at the base of your feet, right about the middle. You're going to start seated upright, and then you're going to roll yourself back, pull for that wide row, and then sit up. So roll back, wide row, and then sit yourself up. If you want to challenge yourself and you want to stay rolled back that entire time and not sit up, you go for it, okay? And then we head back over to our bench for a single leg glute bridge. So 1 foot on our bench, and then the other one is straight up in the air. And we will switch halfway. So my right foot is flat on my bench, my left leg is straight up in the air. Pushing off with that right heel on that bench. Thrusting those hips up and squeezing those glutes. And then halfway through, like I said, we will switch. And then we'll end with core. So we'll head back over to our bands. We are going to do bicycle. So that band is going to go back over both feet. Again on the middle. Make sure it's nice and tight and it's not going to slip off of your shoe. That is very, very important. You're going to hold on to the middle of the band. You're going to lay yourself down. And when we're ready, head and neck off the ground, pull that band. And then we're riding that bike while laying down. The harder you pull that band, the more your core is going to work when you're doing those bicycles, okay? All right, let's go ahead and get started with that high knee twist. Round 1, exercise 1. 3, 2, 1, begin. Getting those knees up, slightly back. And I'm just clasping my fingers together. Again, modify. Go slow, get a little pep in your step, or slow it down even more. Whatever works for you, but we are getting that heart rate up. Consider this our quick little warm-up before we get into those strength training exercises. Last 15. Just keep moving. Three, two, one. All right, on over to our bench or your step, stair, book. Single leg elevated squat. All the power's in the leg on the bench. Remember, we will switch halfway. 3, 2, 1. This one's dead late. It can come down to the ground on that squat. Do not push up off the ground. You're pushing yourself back up with that leg, that foot on your elevated surface. Three, two, one. Other leg. Keep reminding yourself, don't use that leg. It just follows you up. 3, 2, 1. You ready for bear crawl? Go about 4 steps forward and 4 steps back. Even if you have a lot of space, I want you going backwards, okay? Opposite hand, opposite leg. 3, 2, 1. Begin. Same thing backwards, opposite hand, opposite leg. Make sure you keep those glutes up. Don't make it a walking plank. Everything's bent. We're in that bear position. Still staying low. Twenty seconds left. Last 3, 2, 1. All right, to the resistant band. Donkey kicks on the right. Bottom of that band at the bottom of the foot. Pull it tight, go to all fours. Both hands hold that band down. And go. Take your time. You're on this leg for the entire minute, okay? If you feel like you're leaning to the left too much, press that right hand into the mat. Thirty seconds left. Ten seconds left, and then switch to your left. Same thing. Left leg. 3, 2, 1. Get situated. You have 15 seconds to get set. But don't rush. I don't want that band to slip off your shoe. Make sure you're set before you start. 3, 2, 1. Begin. Donkey kick left. Here we go. Now if you're leaning to the right, you got to press that left palm into the ground. Halfway, good job. Last 10. Three, 2, 1. Great job. Upright row, lower down, bicep curl. You're not pulling up over your head, you're not going even past the shoulders, right to that clavicle. Ready? Go. Right about here. Lower, flip, curl. Job. Try not to let that band pull your arms down too quickly. Take your time on the pull and the curl. You're in control of that band all the way up and all the way down. That band wants to snap you back really fast, but we don't allow that. Awesome job. 15 seconds left. Three, 2, 1. All right, now we're still in the middle, but both feet. Make that X in front of you. Pull up right about the hips. You don't need to go any higher than that. One leg first, so kind of set that left leg in the middle a little bit more. Lean and out. Good job. Take your time on this. Again, that band wants to snap you right back to that center. But we are in control. Halfway on this leg, and then we'll switch. Three, 2, 1. Other line, other side, other line. What is that? Slow and steady. Job. 10 seconds left, and then we lay down for that roll down and wide row. Time for one more. 3, 2, 1. Good job. Take it down. Make sure it's on the middle. Don't let it roll up your shoe. That is how we get snapped with our bands. 3, 2, 1. Roll back. Wide row. Sit up. When I say roll back, I'm not expecting you to go all the way back down. You're just rolling to that lower lumbar. Halfway. Last 5, 3, 2, 1. Leave that band there, head back to your step, your book. Single leg glute bridge, we'll switch halfway. Right leg on, left leg straight up. 3, 2, 1, begin. Using that heel of the right foot, power yourself up, feel those glutes. This also works the front of our thigh, those quads. and switch. Right leg now straight up in the air, using that left heel, powering up. Last 5, 3, 2, 1. Head back over to your band, bicycle abs. Bottoms at the bottom of the feet. Then we lay back. 3, 2, 1. Your head and neck is up off the ground. You're pulling that center of the band towards your face. One knee to the chest, one leg straight out. If this bothers your head and neck, then go ahead and lay down. The tighter you pull that band towards your chest, the harder this is going to be. Halfway. Job. You get your first break after this, and then it's time for round 2. Four, 3, 2, 1. Awesome job. Pause the video, grab some water, and get ready for round 2. Back to the high knee twist. 3, 2, 1, begin. Again, go at your own pace. You got that little pep in your step. You've got even slower, and you've got that run. Now let's go. Don't forget that lean back. Keep moving those arms. Let's go, let's go. Three, 2, 1. Very good. Elevated single leg squats. We'll go in 10. Remember, we switch legs halfway. All the power is in that leg that's elevated. 3, 2, 1, begin. Use that heel. Sit back on that heel, just like a squat. Switch. Last 10, power up, let's go. Only one leg should be working, don't push off. 3, 2, 1, bear crawl. 4 or 6 steps forward and then take it right on back. Opposite arm, opposite leg. 5, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Take your time, focus. What arms should be moving, what legs should be moving? Are your hips pointed up to the sky? Or are you flat like a plank? What should you be doing? Lots to think about. Four, three, two, one. Awesome job. Donkey kicks on the right. Bottom of the handle, bottom of the foot. Make sure it's dead center of that shoe and pull tight so it doesn't slip. Drop to all fours. Ready? Go. Press that right palm in tight. Stabilize your core, your torso. We want to do our best to keep those hips pointed down to the sky, I cannot talk today. Keep those hips pointed down to the ground. We don't want them to go up to the sky. So that's why we press that right hand down when we're on the right leg to help center ourselves, distribute that weight so we don't open up those hips to the right side. "15 seconds left, and then you've got that transitional time to get ready for the left leg. Three, two, one, switch. Now we press our left hand in. 3, 2, 1, begin. The more you pull that band with your left hand, the harder this becomes. If you're struggling to get the bottom of your shoe up to the sky, then relax your band a little bit. Give it some more slack. Drop 10 seconds left. Three, two, one. Very good. Bring it on up. Upright row to curl. One foot right in the center. 3, 2, 1. Begin. Remember how slow we need to go. Really think about what muscles need to be pulling that band up. So right now our shoulders are upright, and then our biceps. That upper back. "20 seconds left, very good. Last 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, now we kind of go center, both feet, make that X. We'll lean slightly to the left as we extend that straight right leg out to the side. 3, 2, lean, and go. Remember, it wants to snap you back, but be in control as best as you can. Really hold that leg out there. Activate the side of that thigh, and then step back center. Get ready to switch in 3, 2, lean right and left leg. Awesome job. Last 10. 3, 2, 1. Very good. All right, roll down and row. Make sure, again, you have to be set. It has to be on the middle of your shoe. As soon as you go to pull that, if that band is not and it's at the top, it's going to come right back at you. So safety first. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Begin. What muscles are we working now? We're working that upper back just like we were on the upright row, but now it's more back than shoulder. So I'm squeezing my shoulder blades together every pull. Good job. Do your best to try to keep those feet stationary on the ground. They're going to come up a little bit as you pull. That's okay. 5 seconds left, and then we go back over to our step or our bench. And time. Leave your band there. Single leg glute bridge. Right heel on, left leg straight up. 3, 2, 1. Begin. Job squeezing those glutes as we raise those hips up. We will switch in 5, 3, 2, 1. Left foot down, right leg straight up. How high can you get those hips off the ground? How much of your lower back can you get up off the ground? Really power up with that heel. Good job, almost there. Last 5, 3, 2, 1. On to that band, last exercise. You've got plenty of time to get yourself set up. Safety first. Middle of the shoe, we'll go in 5, 3, 2, 1, go. Remember, if this bothers your head and neck, lay it down on the ground. You can lay flat, that's okay. But your goal as you bring one knee in the chest is to extend the other leg straight out. Keep it low, low, low. Awesome job, you are so close. Keep working those obliques, that core, pull that belly button in tight. 5, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. That is round 2. Pause it, grab some water, and I'll see you back here for round 3. Round 3, high knee twist. Ready, set, go. Job, work those obliques. Let's go. Heart rate back up. Halfway, get those knees up. Let's go. Last 10, come on, you got this. 3, 2, 1, great job. All right, elevated single leg squat, go in 10. 3, 2, 1, begin. What leg are you powering off with? Think about it, take your time. Sit back on that heel. Three, 2, 1, other leg, let's go. Ten seconds left. 3, 2, 1. Good job. Bear crawl. Three, 2, 1. Begin. Get those hips up. Focus on your movements. Are you moving the right arm? Are you moving the right leg? Twenty seconds left. Almost there, almost there. 3, 2, 1, very good. Donkey kicks, right leg. Three, 2, 1, begin. Drop bottom of that shoe straight up to the ceiling. Squeeze those glutes on that raise. Remember to stabilize that torso, center it as best as you can. 15 seconds left, and then we'll switch legs. Three, 2, 1. Switch that band out, same thing, left leg. Pull it tight. 3, 2, 1, begin. Twenty seconds left. Last 5, 3, 2, 1. Great job. Slip that band off that shoe. Bring it on up with you. Upright row to biceps curl. 3, 2, 1. Begin. Drop halfway. Isolate those muscles. Shoulders, upper back, and then biceps. Isolate by taking your time. Three, 2, 1. Abductors, step centered. Make that X. Remember, you don't have to pull up too high. If you want a little bit of slack left, then you can kind of lean down a little bit. Lean to the left, right leg, go. Three, 2, other side, let's go. Ten seconds left. 3, 2, 1. Very good. All right, roll down and row. Take your time getting set up. I don't want this band snapping on anybody. Middle of the foot only, okay? 3, 2, 1. Begin. Good, nice and wide with that row, remember. Your palms are facing down. You have 15 seconds left, awesome job. Three, 2, 1. Set that band down. Head over to your step for our glutes. Right heel on. Left leg straight up into the air. 3, 2, 1. Begin. How much of your body can you push off of the ground with that right heel? That's what I want you to think about. Squeezing those glutes as you raise up, lifting the butt, the hips, the lower that small of your back off the ground. Every raise, how much can you do? Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Switch legs, get it going when you're ready. Almost there. Keep it going. Squeeze those glutes. 3, 2, 1. Awesome job. Take it back to your band. Finish it out with those bicycles. Take your time getting set up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Begin. We keep that extended leg low to the ground. Ten seconds left. You're almost done with round 3. Stay with me. 3, 2, 1. Awesome job. Pause the video, grab water, and there's one final round left. Round 4, high knee twist. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Job, knees up, knees up. Just under halfway, you're almost there. Last time you're gonna do any of these, let's go. I know we're starting to get tired. Those muscles are starting to fatigue. But this is when we really gotta zone in and focus. Finish strong. Come on, 10 seconds left. Pick up the pace. Pick up the pace. Let's go. I'm right there with you. Knees up, knees up. 3, 2, 1. Good job. Way to push. Get set for that single leg squat. Going 5, 3, 2, 1. Begin. You know these moves by now. You know what to do, how to do them. Ten seconds left. Three, 2, 1. Other leg. Last 5, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Bear crawl. On 5, 3, 2, 1. Begin. Jog hips up to the sky. You have 20 seconds left, that's it. Hips up. 1. Very good. All right, donkey kicks. Right leg. 3, 2, 1. Begin. Press that right palm in tight to the ground. Twenty seconds left. Then we'll switch over to the left leg. Three, 2, 1. Left leg. Three, 2, 1. Begin. Job, you're halfway through on your left leg. Job, 20 seconds left. Last 10. And we'll bring it on up for the upright row and that biceps curl. Last 3, 2, 1. Very good. Bring it up. Right in the center. Hold on. 5, 3, 2, 1. Begin. Good job. 20 seconds left. Three, 2, 1. Good job. Center it. Make that X in front of your body for those abductors. 4, 3, 2, lean it left and go with that right leg. Good job, last 5, and then we'll switch legs. 3, 2, 1. Lean it the other way. Last 10. Then we're back down to the ground for that wide row. 3, 2, 1, very good. Take it down to the ground. Take your time getting set up. 3, 2, 1, begin. Job, roll it back. Pull that core in. At the same time you're pulling that weight. Fifteen seconds left. Three, 2, 1. Awesome job, glutes. Last 2 exercises of class. Left leg straight up in the air. 3, 2, 1, begin. I know those glutes, those legs are on fire from all that band work we've been doing, but finish strong. Last leg and glute exercise, you got this. Then we'll end with core. Get ready to switch in 4, 3, 2, 1, stick that right leg up, let's go. Almost there, good job. 5 seconds left, you got time for one more. 3, 2, 1, head back to that band. Finish with those bicycle abs. Take your time getting set up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, begin. How low can you get that leg? Come on. Make that core do some work. Pull those belly buttons in tight. Fifteen seconds left. 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome job with strength training today.